Hi guys, today we're going to be teaching you how to make this super easy fall wreath. So I went out and got a bunch of just dried grasses and things from the backyard and just on my hikes. And then I have a floral craft ring, and I'm still trying to decide the design that I want, but I have some string, some floral wire, yeah, just a few different things. So we'll see how it turns out. I decided to use some of this cotton piping that I had, and I'm just gonna cut up the side where the mesh part is on the outside. And then you just take it and peel it back. So then there's like 3 pieces inside, and I'm just gonna kind of just rough them up to be a little bit smoother. And then I'm just gonna hot glue them and kind of wrap it around just a part of the craft ring to give it like a soft feel before I start attaching the flowers. So I ended up only using hot glue. I didn't use the floral wire or the floral tape that I had. I just think this ended up working better for what I was doing. And I think it turned out really cute. So now I'm gonna hang it up.